Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have done it again. I went onto the Morphe website and made some purchases. Some that I shouldn't have and some that I just couldn't help but to get a backup. And yes, I am referring to the Jaclyn Hill palette, but I also picked up some other goodies that I'm super excited to try. I got this package yesterday in the mail and it's quite large. So let's open this bad boy up, shall we? This is what it looks like on the inside. Yes. So excited. I bet you can guess what that pink thing is in there. Item number 1. It is a Morphe palette. All of the palettes are packaged very well from Morphe. So just take it out of the bubble wrap. I'll be popping this later. So this palette is the 350S. Shimmers, that's what it pretty much stands for. The S stands for shimmers. So that's the palette. Super pretty nude, natural, neutral colors. Like, I'm liking, I'm almost dinging it. That one, well, you can't see it. It looks white in the thing. I promise it's not white. Can you see that better? And I'll do a couple of swatches for you. Very, very pigmented. As you can see, that's that one, which is the one I pointed out earlier here. I'm going to take the one right next to it, which is the burnt orangey red colour, which is very, very nice. And then last but not least, I'm going to choose this one right in the middle. It's a brown goldeny kind of shade. They're super, super pretty. Awkward swatches. But yeah, so that is the shimmer palette, which is very, very pretty. Okay, I will swatch them on my arm, as you can see. Very, very nice. So the next palette I got in a bundle, which came with the first palette at a cheaper price, was the 350M palette. Once again, it's packaged very nicely in lots of bubble wrap. Take it out. Right, so that's the colors. This is the mattes version of the previous palette. I'll pretty much never need to buy a neutrals mattes palette again, so I'm really excited to use this one in a tutorial, and I will swatch a couple other colors for you now. And that's it without the plastic, which is probably better. So we have a lot of burnt oranges, kind of shades, and neutral browns, even some light colors to highlight brow bones and inner corners and things like that. So I will swatch a couple for you right now. I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette, top left, which is that one, quite pigmented. And I'm going to take this orange shade. I feel kind of chalky but pigmented, you know. And I'm going to take this dark red colour. That's that one. Very pigmented and north. That is that one. And then the orange one is this one. Even though it doesn't look orange in my camera or on my computer, but trust me, it's orange. And then this red one down the bottom, that one right there. This is so awkward, but anyway, I'll swatch them on the back of my arm. That's that. Ooh, mark that up, didn't I? That was a bit anticlimactic. I'm sure they'll build up on the eyes very nicely. I just screwed up that swatch. And this is the main reason why I made this purchase online the other day. It came super quick. I ordered it Australian 1 AM last week, and I got it Tuesday the following week. So that's pretty quick from overseas. And it is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It is a backup because I've absolutely fallen in love with my first one, and I never want it to run out. So even if that one runs out, I can just look at this and just awe and like never use it, but I doubt that will happen. But yeah, I'll just show you quickly, guys, anyway, because I've already shown you. But just in case you haven't seen my other video where I showed this, it's just fresh one. It's just so freaking pretty. I didn't mention this in the video of my last one, but my favorite colors is this purple. Oh, I'm so awkward right now. This purple, I can't remember what it's called, but this is Pool Party. I'm obsessed with that one, and I love this second shade here. It's like the pink with the gold reflect in it. So that is that. Now I have one more product for you guys, and I'm actually really excited to try this because I haven't seen anything like this on the market yet. But once again, it is very, very well packaged from Morphe, but this is not a Morphe product. And if you're in the makeup industry or you're a fan of makeup, you will highly likely know what this is already. It's that well packaged that I can barely get into it. It is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost, and it is in the shade Princess Cut. Now, it is a super, super pale baby pink highlighter, and oh my gosh, wow. These highlighters are massive. Can you see the size of this? Like, compared to the size of my head, like, that is huge. So that is the back, Princess Cut. And are you ready? I'm excited. I'm so excited to open this. Are you ready, guys? This is first reveal to you and myself. And woo! Look at that. But that is so light. I wouldn't wear it with this eye look, but I just want to put it on to try it out. I will now swatch it for you guys. The first one, right down the middle. Blinding. Like 2 light strokes, and it's like boom in your face. So that's it there. It's very pale, very light pink. Very good for fair skin tones. Okay, I'm just going to put some on for the fun of it. So that is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Princess Cut. It is so pretty. Let me know, guys, if you would like to see me do a tutorial on any of these products that I've said today, especially this one because I'm super excited about this. Maybe, I don't know, I'm just getting ideas already. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please click the like button if you liked it. Subscribe because it's free and it absolutely makes my day. Leave a comment in the comment section down below on what products you've purchased recently and what you're loving. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Man, my computer's just gone to sleep. That's probably so lame. And I've got a dirty hand. If you can see that better. And okay. 3, 2, 1. That's that reflection ready. So hot. You didn't glow up. You look like grow up. Let me guys know.